everyone. Let's take a quick look at how Teams feature work on Faces. Teams let business owners and freelancers work together smoothly through a shared calendar. To invite a team member, click your profile photo in the top left corner and scroll to Team Members. Select Invite Team Member and enter their email address. If they already have a Faces account, make sure you use the email they registered with so the connection is seamless. Next, choose their role and follow the steps to send the invitation. Once the invite is accepted and their onboarding is complete, they'll automatically join your business. Their access, calendar, and treatments will follow your settings, so everything stays consistent across the team. You can update permissions or remove team members anytime. Previous bookings, payments, and patient records stay safely under your business, so your clinic always keeps full control.